Happy Monday, everybody. Today's video is extremely quick. You know what you're working on today. You're working on finishing up your essays, but it is a really important week as far as grades are concerned. So I just wanted to go over a few reminders about the end of the quarter. So this quarter ends on Thursday, April 9th. That's this Thursday. If you have any late work or missing work that you wanted to turn in, I do need it by Thursday. Many of you have been great at keeping up to date, some of you less so, but I will accept any late work from even the beginning of the quarter until now if you have it. Submit it on Teams, send me an email, let me know that it's been submitted. I do not check assignments unless somebody emails me and lets me know that it's been turned in for late assignments. The way Teams works, it does not actually tell you when somebody has turned something in. And with how things work, I'd be having to check every few minutes just to see if somebody turned in, and that just isn't doable. So please, if you turn something in, just send me a quick email letting me know, and I will update PowerSchool. PowerSchool, to the best of my knowledge, is as up to date as can be. So if you notice that there's something missing, or that you turned something in and maybe didn't email me about it, or maybe you emailed me about it and somehow I missed it, just send me another quick email and let me know. As far as this week is concerned too, Friday is Good Friday and it counts as a holiday. So I will not be having office hours on Friday just because of that holiday situation. It's something the school wants us to keep with. So I am still around all of this week, that if you have questions, email me, post them on this post. I'm happy to help you out as best I can, but Friday will not be an option. All right, so reminder, today is working on finishing your essays. If you were keeping up with my breakdown for that for you, you should be working on the third body paragraph and the conclusion. Another quick reminder, I know I typed it up the last time, but I didn't mention it in the video. Anything you submit to assignments is run through turnitin.com. So be aware, I don't think it's going to be an issue at this point, but be aware that you will be checked for plagiarism. I don't expect it to be an issue, but just because you're not submitting the essay into turnitin.com doesn't mean that it isn't being checked. It's been really nice that Assignments has kind of incorporated it already. So if you have questions, reach out to me. Likewise, if you'd like me to look over your essays before you submit them, if you get that either today or tomorrow, I'd be happy to do so tomorrow for Tuesday if it's early in the morning, but it becomes a little bit more difficult if you wait till the afternoon and you want me to check through something. So if you do, just email me. I can see it if it's been typed on the document that I posted on Assignments. I'm happy to go through and give you advice, all right? So I hope everything else is well with you guys. Reach out with questions, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.